So are you looking for a free photo editor and you don't wanna buy an expensive software like Photoshop or Lightroom? You have many options. Today you're gonna count down the top 5 free photo editors that you can download on your computer. Each of those programs have some advanced tools and features built in it that will let you change the whole look of your pictures and make them look amazing. So without any more further ado, let's get started. At number 5 we have Photoscape X, which has a lot of features to enhance your pictures, like filters, effects, and some of the advanced tools to transform your images to something beautiful. You can even create animated GIFs, collages, and more. When you launch Photoscape, it shows you most of the tools alongside with tutorials for how to use it. When you edit in your image, you'll find all the tools in the upper right just like many programs. It's just a matter of trying the different tools to get how everything works. Photoscape is free, but they do offer a pro version with extra features for $40. But for most of the people, the tools that are available in the free version is more than they need. If you have Windows 10 or a Mac, you can download Photoscape X. But for older Windows operating systems, you just select the link for Photoscape 3.7. Coming in number 4 is Krita. This free and open source program is designed mostly for digital painting and animation purposes. There are plenty features and advanced tools available for photo editing, such as masking tools, brushes, filters, effects, and a lot more. When the program is opened, you'll find most of the tools that you'll be working with on the left side. In the right, there is the advanced color selector, along with the ability to quickly add new layers. And if you find some difficulties about how to use the program, they do offer tutorials on their website. Krita is available for Windows, Mac, and Linux. At number 3 we have Pixlr, which offers a server-based software that can be run online without the need to install anything on your computer. On their website, they offer 2 web apps, are Pixlr Express and Pixlr Editor. Pixlr Express is quick and easy to use photo editor. Along the bottom, it offers several adjustments and features, including crop, resize, colors, red eye, and many others. And there are some cool effects also, overlays, borders, stickers, and the ability to add some cool text to your pictures. So if you want to edit your pictures fast and easy, then Pixlr Express is the one you want. But if you want more advanced tools at your disposal, then the Pixlr Editor is the one you get. Most of the tools are on the left side, and some extra tools on the menu bar. And also you can add more layers on the right side. So if you prefer to work with the server-based programs, then Pixlr Express and Pixlr Editor are excellent choices for editing your pictures without the need to download any software. At number 2 we have Paintnet, which created many years ago as more powerful alternative for Microsoft Paint. Even though it doesn't have all the fancy tools like Photoshop or the editor number 1 that comes on this video, it does contain a solid set of advanced tools, including layers, filters, and effects that will give your images an awesome new look. And you can also download plugins, add new effects, adjustments, and file types to Paint.net created by the community. Paint.net is available to download for Windows 7 or newer. You can download it for free 100%, but there is an option to donate to developer on their website. Last but not least, at number 1 is GIMP, which is the absolute best photo editing software that you can get. This open source program first released at 1996 and packed with the features and tools often found in inexpensive software. There is a massive set of tools on the toolbox on the left, and on the right you can find your layer and brush options. if you want to rid of the multiple floating windows and make everything in just one window. In the menu bar, simply select Windows and at the bottom, enable single window mode. There is a tip if you want to learn how to use GIMP. Simply watch tutorials. There is some available in their site and the good ones are on YouTube. So that's all for me guys. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and tell us in the comment section below which photo editing software that you're using. And if you haven't already, subscribe for more videos like this. Peace out.